Hi, Vince here, Complete Home Remodeling and Repair. Reason I did this short video is for my YouTube subscribers and for yourself who have an interest in becoming a handyman or wondering how to start to become a handyman in your local area. What I can tell you is now is the best time to do it. People are spending money left and right. A lot of people want to stay in their homes and keep the cost down of daily living, so they're fixing up projects. Here's what I can tell you. In 30 years of doing this business, I've escalated from a basic handyman to a full-blown construction and remodeling company where we only average about 4 to 6 employees at a time, but we take on a lot of different projects like engineering projects. We're 203K FHA HUD approved contractors, which mean we can do government funded jobs, and so on and so forth. So what I can tell you, one of the two best things I'm going to tell you here is, number one, I'm placing a link below the description. That link below the description will take you to a quick short presentation on how to start your own successful handyman business. What that program does is that program will teach you the mechanics from the very beginning, how to get registered in your local jurisdiction. It'll teach you how to advertise if you don't have a pool of clientele because you're new. It'll tell you how to actually word your ads to get the most amount of leads or the most amount of potential callers for clients. It'll teach you how to handle customers, things to say to customers. What I did find when I started in this business is I was real apt and quick to say, oh yeah, I can do that, or oh yeah, we can fix this, or yeah, we know how to do that. So what this does is this teaches you and kind of grooms you a little bit on how you should conduct yourself on a daily business day. It also goes through different things like accounting, how to keep proper records, how to go about doing service, customer relations, how to retain customers. Give you a quick idea. I advertise for nothing, nowhere. I don't spend a dime on advertising because I don't need to. The reason I don't need to, I've been in this specific town that I live in right now for the past 15 years. And in that 15 years alone, just in my surrounding community, I have 68 recurring customers. These customers bomb me with, this happened, hot water heater broke, faucet clogged, got a hole in the drywall. It just perpetuates and it never ends. And what I did learn is throughout my career building my handyman is I always ask for referrals. Who might you know that might need some type of home repair? Friends, family, whatever. And what I do for these people is the key to how I was able to build my business, which you'll learn as well. And basically, I kind of pay my customers to feed me with information. Real easy example. I had one customer, she wanted 10 windows. I asked her, who do you know that has other work that needs to be done in her home? She tipped me off to her son's home. I gave her a little bit of a discount on her window job. Probably saved her $200 to $300. But again, I made that back on the son. So there are ways that you can build your business very exponentially and quickly if you use certain techniques. So go down to the link below, go through the presentation, find out if the specific ebook is right for you, and then get yourself started. Well worth it. Secondary, what I'm going to tell you to do is subscribe to my channel. There's 60 plus videos on how to. So there's how to build a deck, how to do tile, how to underpin concrete footings. There's several different videos that you can learn by, that you can get engaged with. But at the same time, what you'll find is as you start cultivating your business, your handyman business will turn into larger and larger projects. And I never forget my very first handyman job was a customer wanted a storm door. Well, that storm door took me about 3 hours to do because I didn't know, and you had to read the directions. Today, if that same customer asked me, it would be a 20-minute job, in and out, done, see you later. And of course, you make more today than you did 30 years ago. So if you're serious about getting involved with home improvement and doing handyman work, best thing I could tell you to do is check the links below and go from there. And then make sure you follow any of your state guidelines for insurance purposes and things like that. There are different ways that you can go about getting affordable insurance. This is all designed to keep you as professional as you can be and to give that homeowner the satisfaction that you are fully insured, or that you are a reputable contractor and you're not just one of the slobs who are out there just trying to take people's money. So again, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your time. Feel free to go to the link. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message and I'll respond back to you. Thanks and have a great day. Bye now.